Hello everyone, in this video I will show you how to turn on or turn off phone call or messages customization service data collection in Samsung Galaxy S24 Ultra. So before starting the video, don't forget to subscribe the channel and also press the bell icon. So first of all, open settings. Now in settings, scroll down and here click on security and privacy. Now in security and privacy, scroll down and click on more privacy settings and then click on customization service. Now in customization service, click on data management and here you will see a call or message history button. So if you want to turn off phone call or messages customized service data collection, then turn off this button and then click on stop to confirm. And if you want to turn on phone call or messages customized service data collection, then tap on this button again to turn it on. So with this button you can turn on or turn off phone call or messages customized service data collection in Samsung Galaxy S24 Ultra. So I hope you liked the video. Thanks for watching.